Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i. And before I show it for you, I recommend it to go to the HeyMelody application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu and you need to go to earbud controls at the middle bottom. And by default, single press set to none, so I recommend to click on it and set to play and pause for the left and right earbud. We have only one option, is to play and pause or set to none. So I will customize triple press, and I wanna add voice mode for the single press, and for the double press I wanna call voice assistant. Or let's change it, let's add game mode for the double press and voice assistant for the left. You can also add it for the right earbud the same, but I will add it only for the left. Now let me open the application. So the touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, right here and right here we have it. Now if you press one time at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. Here we go, I just pause it, press again and I play a song. If you press two times at your right earbud, or by default also the left one, you will play next track. 1, 2. If you press three times at your right earbud and by default at the left also, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Then we have press and hold. So if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Look at this widget right here. As you can see, I increase it. To lower it, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. So press and hold, and let's check this widget again. We have it. Now let's check this feature what I added. So for the double press, I should enable or disable game mode. Right now it enable, disable it. So two times, yeah, 1, 2. I just enable it, 1, 2, and I disable it. And now let's check to call voice assistant. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Also, with these touch areas, you can perform a factory reset. You need to remove your earbuds from the case, then press and hold both of touch areas for at least 15 seconds, until you will hear a prompt. And after that, you need to reconnect them with the phone. If you don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel. We have it, how to perform factory reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!